Okay. So now when we use in arithmetic operations, okay, when you use a data frame and a series, then the series needs to be broadcasted so that the two sizes are the same. Then the operation will take place like what we saw just now. Okay. So broadcasting with NP arrays. Okay. So we have ARR equal to NP A range 12 reshape 3 by 4 and R1 equal to ARR 0. Okay. So this is NP array. Okay, so that's ARR. R1 is the first row. So in NumPy, if you did ARR minus R1, then R1 will be expanded. Okay, the same values will get repeated. So for second and the third row, and you see that same, that's called broadcasting. So you have a 3 by 4 here, and then just one dimension 4 numbers. So those 4 numbers will then be repeated 2 times. So that will also become 3 by 4, and then the operation will take place. That process is what is called broadcasting. Okay, so that's how it is done in NumPy. Now if you want to broadcast over columns matching on the rows, you have to use one of the arithmetic methods. Okay. All right. So let's look at an example with a data frame. Okay. So df1. So df1 has, okay, let's define df1 pd data frame okay, so we're going to take that and put it here. Let's make it 4 by 3. Okay. And then index equal to list BDE, columns equal to, and index equal to Texas and Oregon. BDE should be okay. Now we let's create a series. Okay, let's take df1, the first row. Okay. Again, I have to use iloc. So now we have a database df1 and a series. Now we can use df1 minus series, okay, that would do exactly. So the operation is the same like in the NP NumPy array. So the series will get broadcast and then the operation will take place. Okay. Okay, now if you want to use okay. Now let's take this column df1b, okay. So initially we did row, okay. We took the first row and used it for the arithmetic operation. So now let's take the column b, okay, and that can be used as well. But when we do that, then we have to, okay, we cannot, so this will not work because it's going to expand in a different way. So everything is NaN, right? So we have to use one of the methods. So when you want to do it on a column basis, so df1 and say we want to, let's do add. That's the easiest one. Okay. So now we have to specify that we want to do it for each column. Oh, I need to do no, axis is 0. We want to go from each column the rows. Okay, yeah, there you go. So we want to go this way. So axis must be 0. So now this operation SIR2 series 2, SIR2 is subtracted from each column. So it's broadcast across the 3 columns and the arithmetic operation takes place in that fashion.